Welcome back to Big Brain Tech Trends. Today we're going to be showing you how to reset Final Cut Pro's trial. Don't forget to subscribe and click that little notification bell thingy. First thing you want to do is open up Final Cut Pro. And as you can see, Final Cut Pro trial will expire after 89 days. You might have 1 day left, and we got to keep pumping these videos out. So we're going to close Final Cut Pro and we're going to open up our terminal. And once we get our terminal open, we're going to input this line of code, which basically moves your user data to the trash. It's a bit technical, we're not going to get into it. After you execute that line of code, gonna close our terminal and open up Final Cut Pro again. And just like that, Final Cut Pro trial will expire after 90 days. We're reset and back up and running. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that little notification bell thingy. See you in the next video.